Well, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be teaching you how to make your own origami sailboat. For this project, we used a 6 by 6 inch piece of origami square. But you can use any size of origami as long as it's a square piece of paper. Want to build it? Let's get started.
Start off by folding in half. Crease it sharply. Open it up. And crease it down this way. Fold it down this way. Crease it. You want to open it back up and fold this to the crease right here. But then don't fold the other one, and you just want to flip it over. Fold this to the middle line, still having this flap. Fold this to the middle line, like this. And now you just want to take this, open these flaps up, push them, and you just want to push them out like this. Increase it. And do the same thing with the other one. And now, for the final step, just fold it down right here. Turn it over, and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos. And we'll see you all next time.